Welcome, fellow gardeners, to another exciting journey into cultivating your own delicious produce. Today, we are diving deep into the art of growing crisp, refreshing cucumbers right in your raised garden beds. This method offers numerous advantages for a bountiful harvest. Raised beds offer superior drainage, which is crucial for cucumbers that dislike soggy roots. This elevated structure prevents soil compaction, allowing roots to spread freely and access nutrients more efficiently. You'll notice a significant difference in plant vigor. Another major benefit is the ability to customize your soil mix. You can create the perfect nutrient-rich environment tailored specifically for your cucumbers. This control over soil composition is a game-changer for plant health and yield. Raised beds also provide better pest and weed management. The elevated sides act as a barrier against some ground-dwelling pests, and weeding becomes much easier. This means less time battling unwanted intruders and more time enjoying your garden. When choosing a raised bed for cucumbers, consider both size and depth. A bed at least 12 inches deep is ideal to accommodate their root systems. For vining varieties, a larger surface area will allow for proper spacing and trellising. Location is paramount for cucumber success. They are sun-loving plants, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Position your raised bed in the sunniest spot in your garden to ensure optimal growth and fruit production. Materials for your raised bed can vary from wood to metal or stone. Ensure the material is safe for growing edibles and will last for many seasons. Durability and non-toxicity are key considerations for a healthy garden. The foundation of a successful cucumber crop is excellent soil. A well-draining, nutrient-rich mix is essential. Start with a blend of good quality topsoil, compost, and some perlite or vermiculite for aeration. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. You can test your soil and amend it as needed to reach this range. Healthy soil promotes strong root development and robust plant growth. Compost is your best friend here, providing a slow release of essential nutrients. Incorporate a generous amount into your raised bed before planting. This organic matter will feed your plants throughout the growing season. Cucumber varieties fall into two main categories: bush and vining. Bush varieties are more compact, making them excellent for smaller raised beds or containers. They produce a good yield without sprawling extensively. Vining cucumbers, on the other hand, produce long vines that require support. While they take up more vertical space, they often yield more fruit over a longer period. Consider your available space and trellising options when making your choice. Look for varieties that are resistant to common cucumber diseases like powdery mildew. This proactive step can save you a lot of trouble later in the season. Read seed packets carefully for disease resistance information. Cucumbers are warm season crops, so wait until all danger of frost has passed and soil temperatures are consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Planting too early can stunt their growth or even kill young plants. You can either direct sow seeds or plant young transplants. If direct sowing, plant seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. Once they germinate, thin them to the recommended spacing for your chosen variety. For transplants, carefully remove them from their containers, disturbing the roots as little as possible. Plant them at the same depth they were in their pots. Water thoroughly immediately after planting to help them settle in. Trellising is absolutely crucial for vining cucumbers in a raised bed. It saves space, improves air circulation, and keeps the fruit off the ground, reducing the risk of disease and pest damage. Plus, it makes harvesting much easier. Install your trellis or support system at the time of planting. This prevents disturbing the roots later on. Options include stakes, cages, netting, or A-frame trellises. Choose one that can support the weight of mature vines and fruit. Gently guide the young vines onto the trellis as they grow. Cucumbers have tendrils that will naturally grasp onto the support. Regular training ensures your plants grow vertically and efficiently. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, especially when fruiting. Consistent moisture is key to preventing bitter-tasting fruit and ensuring a good yield. Aim for deep, regular watering, especially during dry spells. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the foliage, which can encourage fungal diseases. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses are excellent choices for raised beds, delivering water directly to the root zone. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about 1 inch or 2 deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Avoid both overwatering and letting the soil dry out completely between waterings. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and benefit from regular fertilization. Once plants start producing flowers and fruit, they need a boost of nutrients. A balanced organic fertilizer or compost tea works wonderfully. Apply a liquid feed every 2 to 3 weeks, or side dress with compost around the base of the plants. Follow the product instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilizing, which can burn the roots. Healthy soil, enriched with compost at the beginning, will provide a good baseline of nutrients. Supplemental feeding ensures your plants have everything they need to produce an abundant harvest. Vigilance is your best defense against pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your cucumber plants for any signs of trouble. Early detection makes management much easier and more effective. Common pests include cucumber beetles, aphids, and squash bugs. Hand-picking, neem oil, or insecticidal soap can effectively manage these issues. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs to help control pest populations. Powdery mildew is a common fungal disease. Ensure good air circulation by proper spacing and trellising. If it appears, treat with an organic fungicide or a baking soda solution. Remove affected leaves promptly. Knowing when to harvest your cucumbers is crucial for the best flavor and texture. Pick them when they are firm, green, and of a good size for their variety. Overripe cucumbers can become yellow, seedy, and bitter. Harvest regularly, typically every 1 to 2 days, once production begins. This encourages the plant to produce more fruit. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the cucumber. Enjoy your fresh cucumbers immediately or store them in the refrigerator for up to a week. Regular harvesting keeps your plants productive and ensures a continuous supply of delicious, homegrown goodness.